It's cheap, affordable for everybody, and the environment is quite conducive for everybody.
We've achieved key milestones, particularly in the area of the rehabilitation of the existing narrow gauge line and in the construction of new standard gauge lines. As we speak today, the entire western line from Lagos all the way to Kano, that is Lagos, passing through 7 states, Abeokuta, Osogbo, Ibadan, all the way to Ilorin, Minna, Jeba, Kaduna, Kano, has been fully rehabilitated. As a result of that, we're now moving both passengers and freight by rail on a regular basis.
After completion, it's going to be yearly to carry about 4 million tons freight, that is for the cargoes, and about 1 million passengers, 1.5 million passengers yearly.
Security aspect and the comfortability is so comfortable.
Same vein, we have the Eastern Line, Lagos, Port Harcourt, all the way to Maiduguri line, being rehabilitated. By the end of this year, we are on course to complete the Lagos all the way to Gombe section of that line.
This is a modern standard gauge railway project. Okay, so we have these automatic controls, safety, improved safety for running the track.
The project is going to create about 15 to 20,000 jobs.
We are now having an influx, migration of freight movement from road to rail, thereby reducing congestion on our roads. We expect to see a commensurate reduction in the frequency of accidents. Port decongestion. If you look at all our ports now, the more trains we have moving, evacuating containers from our ports, again, what we're beginning to see is decongestion in that regard.
With the concessioning of the ports, it has reduced some of the burden on the ports, more especially on the authority. And our responsibility is to make sure that we maintain the infrastructure of the port, which is the both green and brown development.
They will solve the perennial, congestions on our seaports. They will bring shipping to the doorsteps, of the shippers, boost the economy, and make transportation cheaper.
There's an increase in the ship movements. There is an increase in investment, both material and human. There is also an increase in the competitiveness. And overall, there is an increase in the economic development of not only the port, but the country as a whole.
This is a lever that is used for direction.
NITT, like you know, was established in 1986. Primarily, but principally, with the sole aim of providing the requisite manpower to the entire transport industry. As we are talking now, NIT has achieved almost 99% of its mandates by having 3 new departments.
We have the mechatronics and automobile section. That as part was equipped with models. Models are there for trainees to come in and see physically those models like the trafficator, the trafficating system, the headlamps, to do with all aspects of the motor vehicle.
Then we are now doing transport intelligence and research. Then our library and IT facilities have been greatly improved.
We have simulators that we use for training of drivers. We have realized that the issue of safety is one of the major problems of this country. So the Ministry of Transport mandate NITT to train drivers. We have gone ahead even to secure license from the road safety to have a licensed driving school here, where we can train drivers, truck drivers from the industry, transport and logistics industry, those that are coming from other places. In fact, we even train new drivers, those that are just coming from want to learn as freshers.
We have to make doing business in the ports easy, and most of all, we have to introduce automation. Put up a system on ICT, so that things are not done manually.
And so when you look at all of these achievements within a space of 4 years, I mean, you will see that you will agree with me that the federal government under this present administration, has really done very well.